All right, today we're doing a deep dive on a pretty impressive piece of AV tech, the Aurora Multimedia RXT-15VS-B 15.6-inch touch panel. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the price, and it definitely gets your attention.
It does.
But our mission today is to really unpack why, to show you that this is, so much more than just a typical display.
That's the absolute key distinction right there. It's not just a screen. The official term is a ReAX-enabled touch panel device, which, sounds a bit jargony. But what it really means is that it has a powerful ReAX control and automation engine embedded right inside.
So it has a brain.
It has a brain. You're moving the whole operation out of the equipment closet and putting it directly on the wall.
Okay, so that idea of consolidation is huge. If the brain is right there, what kind of things can it actually do? What does ReAX unlock?
Well, you're looking at total operational convergence. You can run state-of-the-art digital signage, for example.
And we're talking high-end stuff.
Oh, yeah. 4K signage, plus robust security management. And it integrates deeply with, well, pretty much any third-party control system you already have.
So it's one consolidated endpoint for multiple jobs.
Exactly. It reduces latency and just simplifies the whole communication chain.
And what's really interesting to me is that Aurora doesn't just focus on the tech. They really lean into the logistical side of things.
They do, because in large installations, supply chain and compliance matter a lot.
Right.
This product is tariff-free, it's proudly made in the USA, and this is the big one, it's TAA compliant.
And TAA compliance is a must-have for any government or defense contracts.
It's a non-negotiable. It's a barrier to entry. So for anyone in that space, this becomes a highly cost-efficient and accessible solution right out of the box.
And practically speaking, it's versatile. You can get it in black or white, and it mounts in either portrait or landscape.
Using that standard VESA 75 mount.
Yeah.
So no proprietary brackets to worry about.
Okay, so let's talk about customization. The software is ReAX Core Studio. Do you need to be, a coding genius to actually use it?
Not at all. It's really designed for two different types of users. For the average integrator, there are intuitive no-code tools. You can build your interface really quickly.
But what if you need something very specific, very custom?
Then you have that option too. You can import and run your own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. It gives developers total freedom over the design.
And that flexibility is possible because the hardware inside is pretty powerful. It's running on an RK3399 Cortex 6-core processor.
Yeah, on Android 9.
So why does that specific chip matter? What does it let you do that, say, a lesser chip couldn't?
It's all about handling high-demand functions simultaneously without skipping a beat.
Got it.
That processor is what lets it function as an intelligent kiosk, run true 4K digital signage decoding complex H.265 video, while at the same time handling streaming video for security and sending out email alerts.
That processing power guarantees it won't lag.
Exactly. It guarantees a premium experience.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting for installers. The connectivity. It has 1G LAN with PoE.
Yeah, and that's huge.
So one cable, that's the dream, right?
It is. The PoE Plus capability gives all the power it needs. It's a low 15W draw and all the data over a single Ethernet cable.
That makes installation so much cleaner.
Dramatically simpler. And that one network connection is the bridge. That's how the embedded ReAX control engine talks to all the third-party devices and access systems in the room.
So when you step back, this device just fundamentally bridges that gap between display and controller.
It does. You don't need a separate processor in the rack. You don't need an external video decoder.
It's all in one.
All in one. A 4K capable display and a fully autonomous control hub in a single 1.4 kilogram package.
So the final takeaway is that this is designed to be that ultimate consolidated endpoint.
It is. It manages everything from basic room automation to serving as a complex 4K digital signage player, and it just streamlines the entire infrastructure.
So here's a thought for you to take away.